A spicy wishes to all of you. I am J. Albino Vince, Assistant Professor, Department of Botany, Holy Cross College Autonomous, Nagarkoil. I am extremely happy to present about the distinctive fragrant spice that is nutmeg. Nutmeg is a spice seed from the fruit of a tropical dioecious evergreen tree called Myristica fragrans, which is commonly known as nutmeg. Europeans discovered nutmeg in the Middle Ages and it became quite valuable for its culinary and folk remedy uses. The nutmeg tree is indigenous to Banda Islands in East Indonesia. It is distributed in India, Southeast Asia, North Australia and Pacific Islands. The seed and its fleshy aril are used as spices. The nutmeg has high nutritional value and is rich in carbohydrates, proteins, dietary fiber, vitamins A, C and E and minerals such as calcium, copper, iron, magnesium, manganese, zinc and phosphorus. The nutmeg has a distinctive, pungent fragrance and a warm, slightly sweet taste. It is used to flavor many kinds of baked goods, confections, puddings, meat, sausages and some beverages, etc. Coming into morphology, this tree have brown red bark which is soft, smooth and flakes off in thin layers or large plates. The horizontal branches radiate in folds from the trunk. The leaves are simple, entire and alternatively arranged on branches. The leaf blades may be densely pubescent or totally glabrous. These plants are usually dioecious. The flowers are unisexual, small in size, composed of tree sepals and exude a strong fragrance. The female flowers are unicarpellate and uniovulate and they show very little morphological differentiation within the family. The male flowers are composed of 2 to 60 anthers which are fused to various degrees to a central column. Flowers are borne on racemose or paniculate inflorescence which themselves originate within leaf axils. Once fertilized, the unicarpellate ovary develops into an elliptical fruit called as follicle. The fruit is comprised of a single seed, typically with a ruminate endosperm covered to various degrees by a fatty white reddish aril. The major chemical constituents present are myristicin, elemicin, myristic acid, alpha-pinene, terpenes, beta-pinene and trimyrticin. Coming into uses, antibacterial and antifungal property. The antibacterial activity of the volatile oil obtained from the seeds has effect against gram-positive and gram-negative bacteria and even the bacterial spores. The dried seed cover exhibits strong antifungal activities. The Malabaricon C that is obtained from Myristica fragrans has inhibitory activity against several kinds of aerobic and anaerobic microorganisms. Anti-amoebic activity. The anti-amoebic effect of nutmeg essential oil at 0.5 microliter per ml had been observed against Entamoeba histolytica. Pain reliever. The nutmeg oil gives a warm strengthening feeling to relieve headaches, stomach aches and flu symptoms. Anti-diabetic activities. The nutmeg extract has a potential anti-diabetic effect and hence used for the treatment of type 2 diabetes. Hypolipidemic and platelet anti-aggregatory activity. The seed extract can reduce serum cholesterol and LDL cholesterol. It also prevents the accumulation of phospholipids, triglyceride and cholesterol in heart, aorta and liver and aided in the dissolution of plaque in the aorta. Hepatoprotective activity. The myristicin, the foremost compound, can inhibit the tumor necrosis factor. The nutmeg aqueous extract had significant hepatoprotective and antioxidant activity against isoproterenol induced hepatotoxicity and oxidative stresses. Anti-inflammatory activity. The quercetin was found to be the active compound responsible for anti-inflammatory activity. It is used in the treatment of periodontitis, which is an inflammation of supporting structures of teeth. Anti-cancer activity. The essential oil in various concentration has more effect against the breast cancer cell line and epidermal skin cancer cell lines. Memory enhancing activity. It has the effect on increasing the learning and memory. It is used in the treatment of Alzheimer's disease. Aphrodisiac activity. The extract of nutmeg has more effect in aphrodisiac activity, antidiarrheal activity. The extract of nutmeg has antidiarrheal activity and it showed a decrease in the mean number of loose stools and increased in latency period. Antidepressant activity. The extract of nutmeg was competent to give significant antidepressant effect and hence make good relief without tension. Antioxidant activity. It has good antioxidant activity due to high content of tannin, flavonoid and terpenoids like saponin, myristicin and eugenol. Pesticide and insecticidal activity. The nutmeg seeds were toxic to cockroaches. The essential oil of nutmeg seed showed insecticidal effects against the larvae of mushroom infecting fly and pulse beetle. Anti-obesity activity. It has special role in anti-obesity. This can prevent the increase in adipose tissue mass, body weight, LDL levels and glucose levels. External applications. The oil of nutmeg butter can be applied externally for sprains, strains and rheumatism. Flavoring agent. The characteristic pleasant fragrance and slightly warm taste of nutmeg is used to flavor many kinds of baked foods, confections, meats, sausages, sauces, vegetables, beverages, curry powder, tea and soft drinks, or it is added to milk and alcohol also. Other uses. The nutmeg butter, a fat derived from the seed, is used in perfumery and toothpaste. So, there are a lot of beneficial part in nutmegs. Please be benefited and thanks for watching this video.